Hi everyone, and today I'm gonna show you my new baby. So I have a new juicer which is i-unbox ko, ayan. So it's a slow juicer from Kuvings. So I read a lot of good reviews about this type of machine. So okay naman siya yung mga reviews niya kasi I used to work in a company where we make fresh juices every day. And then, every now and then, nagpapalit kami ng mga juicers. So, most likely, alam ko na yung mga sakit ng mga juicer na yan. So, although, ang mga nagamit ko naman during that time when I was still working there is yung mga commercial juicer. Which is much stronger kaysa sa mga ginagamit nating juicer sa bahay. Pero, tingnan natin. Okay naman ang reviews nitong Kuvings. So, tingnan natin kung papasa sa ating standard. Standard daw. Okay, so ayan. Ayan yung ating ano. So, itong machine na to, nabasa ko is nakakagawa rin daw ng frozen drinks. Although I have other type of machine na nakakagawa rin naman ng cold drinks, ng gelato, ng mga slushy drinks. Actually, soup pa nga. So, yun yung Vitamix na ginagamit ko, which is really, really good. Talaga reliable yun. Ito naman. So, ito, ayan. Ayan yung pinaka-base niya. So, meron silang ibang color, no? So, meron silang deep red. Ito, metallic gray, I think. And then, meron din yata silang purple. Yan. So, ito yung pinili ko kasi medyo okay naman siya. Ayan. So, hindi ko na itatapusin yung unboxing, no? The whole video kasi masyadong mahaba. So, I'm just gonna show you how it works and then show you kung paano natin i-assemble. And then, we'll show you too how to juice an apple. Mag-start muna tayo sa apple and then, bibigay ako ng recipe at the end of this video, which is a very refreshing recipe, which is I learned from my company too. Okay, so yan. Okay, so i-assemble na natin yung ating machine, no? So, of course, lahat naman ng machine may instruction dyan. So, so hindi na masyadong mahirap yon. So, ayan, pinag-aralan ko na yan. So, ayan, lalagay natin sa gitna yung ating extractor and then the cover. So, meron naman siyang red dot para to follow. And then the other picture is for the fiber and the other one is for the juice. So, nag-prepare ako ng apple just to show you how it works. So, apple muna for now. So, hugasan muna ng apple and then slice into 2. Ayan. So, maganda talaga pag may juicer kayo sa bahay. So, you can drink fresh juices. Siyempre, mas maganda yung madaling linisin. Pero ito naman, mukha namang sa experience ko naman, mas madali naman itong linisin kaysa dun sa mga juicer na nagamit ko. Okay, so ayan, yung juice lumalabas dun sa kabila and then yung fiber dun naman sa kabilang picture. Ayan. So, I used 4 pieces of apples, any kind of apple if you like. And then, naka-produce ako ng 2 cups of apple juice. So, depende yun sa size ng apple nyo, no? Pwedeng mag-less pa yun or more kung gaano karami yung apple. Okay, so, bibigyan ako naman kayo ng other recipes. So, we're gonna need apple, carrot, and ginger. So, ayan yung ating green apples. You can use any type of apple. Ayan, and then carrots and ginger. So, wash muna natin yan and then we'll gonna start juicing the other recipe. Okay, so whenever ako nagjo-juice, so in-alternate ko yung paglagay ng fruits and vegetables sa juicer. So, hindi lang ako nag-stay sa isang apple. Kunyari sabihin natin, let's apple lang, puro apple. No. Ina-alternate ko yung lagay. Let's say, 1 apple and then 1 carrot. Kasi sometimes, mas maganda yung, kasi minsan nagbabara sila eh. So, like apples, you can't use, yung old apples na malabo. So, doon nagja-jam yung ating juicer pagka ganun yung ating pagka luma yung apple na ginamit natin. So, it's better to use yung medyo malutong pa. Okay, ayan. So, ayan, nakikita nyo sa kabila lumalabas and then yung ating juice dito sa kabila. So, it's very, very, very nice. So, as you can hear, hindi siya nagkakreate ng too much noise. Unlike yung other types of juices or mga other machines, masyadong maingay. So, Kuvings, hindi siya masyadong maingay. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating fiber, which is came out really, really dry, which is good. No? Kasi, it means lang na extract niyang maigi yung ating fruits and vegetables. So, ayan yung ating apple, carrot, and ginger. Yung fiber, pwede nyo ilagay sa soup if you like. And then, pwede nyo ring i-mix doon sa juice na juice nyo. Kung ayaw nyo itapon, gusto nyo lahat ng nutrients makuha nyo. So, pwede nyo rin namang i-save for other recipes. Ayan. So, we have apple, carrot, and ginger. No, pwede na natin itry. Highly recommended ko tong recipe na to, no? Kasi, very refreshing siya, no? Kung gusto niyo ng ginger, ayan, pwede ko pa kayo maglagay. Kung ayaw nyo na naman carrot by itself, kasi medyo masyadong rich, pwede nyo ilagay ng apple. So, ayan, so mas maganda meron kayong juicer sa bahay, which is, and blender, of course, kasi yung blender, lahat ng nutrients makakain nyo, i-blend nyo lang, and then, hindi kayo nagtatapon ng fiber. Pero, syempre, itong ating juicer, pwede rin yun namang gawin yun. Na pwede rin yun namang i-mix. Ayun. So, I hope you like the video for today. And, Ana, nag-enjoy kayong na-meet ang aking new baby. And then, ang ating recipe for today. Thank you guys for watching. And please like and subscribe. And share na rin. Thank you. Bye.